Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. To take a screenshot on your laptop, you can either use a combination of Windows, Shift and S buttons pressed simultaneously, or alternatively you can just press the print screen button on your keyboard and it will result in the same effect of this bar appearing at the top of your screen. Click got it, and right now you can make sure that the snip option is selected here, and you have 4 different options on how to take a screenshot. The first one is by selecting an area of your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. So just select an area, screenshot will be taken. You will see the notification about the screenshot in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you click on this notification, you will see the screen preview. Now you can edit it using these quick tools at the top bar of your window. You can also edit this picture in Paint. If you click right here to save the new version of the picture, you have to click the save button right here and then click click save to confirm. If you want to access the original screenshot, you have to go to the File Explorer, open Pictures folder and go to screenshots, and in screenshots the latest screenshot in here is the screenshot that you took just now. Now let's go to the second option, which is a Windows screenshot. Now to take a screenshot of a window, we have to open any window on our PC and then click on it just like this, and then the screenshot of the window will be created. So as you can see, it's just a window with nothing else in the frame, and the third option is the full screen screenshot. So once you select this option, your full screen screenshot will be taken. And the last option for the screenshot is the freeform screenshot. If you want to take a freeform screenshot, you just have to draw a shape on your screen, a shape of the screenshot that you want to take. And once you do that, your screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on the shape that you painted on the screen. Besides, for the first two, for the rectangular screenshot option, you can also use quick markup tool in order to edit your screenshots in real time before saving it, and only then clicking capture to save the screenshot, and therefore your screenshot will be edited from the start. Now that's basically it for this video, so thank you so much for watching it. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.